Hey guys, thank you for coming back to Resin Belle's channel, and if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and I'd really appreciate it, and hit that like button. That helps me out. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be reviewing the Tack Life Rotary power tool. I've been wanting a Dremel for a long time. I used to have one years ago that lasted me quite a few years. It eventually burned out because we used it for heavier things than it was meant for, but I found this one on Amazon and I thought, well, you know what, I'm going to try it out. It was half the price of Dremel, and it came with more accessories, and it came with a different rotary tool. So we're going to try this, check this out, and we'll see what we got going on in here. It came in this awesome box, so stay with us. Okay, so what we've got here is the Tack Life Power Tools Rotary Tool. It's 120 volts and comes in this box, this handy-dandy mailing box. So we'll open it up. It does come with its own case. So I'm going to pull the case out. Here's a nice case. Pretty heavy duty. It's not going anywhere. It's a good case for what it is. These just slide open. So this is what we've got going on in here. This is the main reason that I bought this, because it does have this attachment. So it has that. Here are the instructions and a warranty card, etc. It comes with a guard, a plastic guard, which I'm pretty excited about. You know, this goes on the end and it keeps anything, like if you're cutting something, it keeps it from flying back at you, which is pretty awesome. That is a big plus. I really like that they decided to include that. It is made of very thick plastic. It's not going anywhere, so anything could hit that and it's still going to be there. So that is very well made, heavy duty plastic there. And we've got various bits, and this is actually a handle, a grip handle, so that you can hold. So then this goes on there, so then you can hold it like this instead of having to hold it like this, which is pretty cool. It'll come in handy for some different projects, you know, sanding and things where your hand might get fatigued. You can put that on and you have a different grip holder. So I've never seen one like that, so that's pretty cool that they included that. Somebody's using their noodles. This is the Tack Life Rotary tool. It is good, heavy. It feels nice, well made. Just as well made as a Dremel, I would say. It has different speeds here. You know, everything seems, you know, very well made and heavy duty. It's got a good cord on it. It comes with this router attachment, so you can put it in there, and then you have basically a router tool there. So that's pretty cool. And this comes with a box full of attachments. I think with Dremel you only get just a handful of things. So obviously in shipping they kind of went everywhere, but there's drill bits and sanding wheels. There's like a wire sanding brush wheel, some cut-off discs, sanding discs, cut-off discs. We've got some felt pads for polishing. Got an extra part there. We've got this nice little sharpening bit. We've got the drum for the sanding things. We've got the tool. We've got all of these various cutters and sanders, and so it did have a nice selection of things come with it. I did order another package of bits and extra sanding tools and stuff, but this is a nice selection of stuff that doesn't come with the Dremel. So they're really trying hard to do a good job to include everything you might need right out of the box. So this is, I mean, great just by itself. That would have been worth $35. I would have been happy with that, and that is awesome. All of the bits and the, you know, the guard and everything. But then you come to the rotary tool for precision rotary work. It looks really nice. It feels good. This piece here is a plastic, but it's a heavy plastic, and it feels lightweight, like you could really get in there and do what you needed to do. So, you know, that's pretty cool. This works with the, you put that onto the end of the Dremel, or the rotary tool, and so then you've got, you know, your flexible rotary tool as well. So that is pretty cool that it comes with that attachment. I will most likely definitely be using that a lot. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. They've done a good job of thinking about everything that needs to be thought about and included with all of your stuff. So that's pretty cool. I'm very happy with that. I mean, like I said, this box of stuff was $35. So, you know, that's really quite good. Very good value for the money for sure. I will update after I get a chance to use it more, but for right now, that's all I'm going to cover. It really does seem like they did a good job of trying to decide everything that they wanted in there and everything you might need. So if you're looking for a rotary tool and you've been wanting a Dremel, but the price is kind of scaring you off, like I said, the Dremel is like twice the price of this, and it comes with less stuff. You don't get the rotary attachment, you don't get the, you know, the guard, the clear guard, and you don't get the router assembly. You don't get all that stuff with the Dremel. It's basically just the Dremel and a few bits. So for twice the price. So if you're looking for a rotary tool, I would suggest trying this out. I will do a review later as far as actually using it, but for right now, I'm pretty happy. It looks good. Everything feels quality, so try this one out, Tack Life, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!